Hi everybody, welcome to Wednesday Webisodes. This week our sponsor is Spellbinders. I'm going to be using the dresses to dies and blanks to make this week's project. And this is the project. I'll be showing you how to make the card step by step. I began by die cutting the dresses out of cardboard and also out of vintage dictionary pages. I put two of the pieces together just by gluing them as you see here. I wanted to hang these on string, so I am folding the little tabs down and using a little skewer, you could also use a toothpick, to keep the hole open. So I just fold each side down, and I want to make sure that that hole stays open, so that's why I have the skewer in there. And you can see the holes are open and round. Now I'm using Crafty Power Tape from 3L Scrapbook Adhesives to make the frilly little skirt. I'm adding just a piece across the waist of the dress. I fold the pieces back and then take a strip of vintage dictionary pages and I just wrinkle as I adhere it down. And by the way, die cutting the dresses out of the cardboard was really easy using the Artisan Explorer. It was just one pass through. Now I'm taking some red and white twine and I leave a little tail on the right hand side and just wrap all the way around the waist several times to give it a cute little waistband. I cut a long end on the left side and now I'm just tying the two ends together. To keep that bow from untying, I'm adding just a drop of glue to the center and then I'll just trim off the ends. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to fluff up the skirt. And there you have it. Now I'm going to use the Distress It All on the card, and I'm rocking the paper back and forth, bouncing it up and down to get a really distressed edge. And be on the lookout for the Distress It All version 3. I have a video that will be coming up really soon. I'm also distressing the edges of the strip that's going to go across the paper, and it's from my Natural Beauty paper line. Want to make sure it fits, and then I'll set that aside. I am spritzing the card back with water, a generous amount, and now I'm using my Smooch Spritz in Sea Breeze, and I am flicking the color across the top. I'm going to add a little bit more water so that it will drip, and then while it is dripping, I'll use a heat gun to dry the drips so that I don't lose the drippy look of it and it doesn't blend into one color. And by the way, the card background is made from an old file folder, so it's made out of manila. Once it's dry, you can flatten it out, and then we're going to start adhering everything together. I'm using Crafty Power Tape. It is my most favorite dry adhesive, and again, it's from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L. And I'll just adhere that down and find out where I want to place the dresses. And now I'm going to punch some holes into the top portion. And I'm going to add some eyelets to the holes. And I'm using a crocodile to punch and add the eyelets. And now we'll tie the dresses onto the card. After I get the knots tied, I just snip off the ends and arrange the dresses. Now I'm going to use 3D foam squares from 3L Scrapbook Adhesives. Just one right in the center. This is just to keep them from sliding back and forth. and then just place those dresses down. Now I'm adding denim hem from my daughter's Blue Jean Baby Etsy shop using the Crafty Power Tape again. Works fabulous for material. I added the same to the bottom, and now I'm adding a mini denim bow also from Blue Jean Baby Etsy to the card with 3D foam squares. In addition to the card, I also made the necklace shown in the photo, and you can see pictures of both on my blog. I want to thank Spellbinders for being so generous. This week, our prize is the dresses, dies, and blanks. All you have to do is go to the blog here, and you will use Rafflecopter to enter into the drawing. Next Wednesday, I will have the winner posted on the very same blog post, and you'll be able to see if you've won. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again next week. Bye! I don't want to do that. Dang it. Baby break. Say hello. I smile and my glasses move. Today the sponsor, frickin' fuck. Oh, why can't I get this?